Did you know a pope once put a dead man on trial? In 897 AD, Pope Stephen VI had his predecessor Formosus dug up from his grave. The corpse was dressed in full papal robes, propped up on a throne, and brought into a church court to stand trial. A deacon was assigned to speak on behalf of the dead man. Formosus was found guilty. His blessing fingers were cut off. His body was dragged through the streets of Rome and thrown into the Tiber River. But here is what makes this more than just a gruesome story. Every step followed proper church procedure. Canon law was argued. Witnesses were called. The rituals were performed perfectly. The most powerful legal institution in the Western world was conducting a formal trial against a rotting corpse with complete sincerity. Stephen VI was arrested just months later and strangled in prison. The whole episode reveals something unsettling. An institution can follow every rule it has while losing all sense of what those rules were ever for.